Are you looking forward to any food in India?
Well, I prepared myself for that. You know, the curry and rice. I think we Namibians are not used to that, and we will have to get to a point just to get the stomach going. Otherwise, we might end up, instead of playing hockey, in the toilets or something like that. So yeah, I really see forward to that.
So you've been prepping well.
Yeah, definitely. No, we are at the all of the players. I instruct them to go to the doctors and get medicine to take with and all that stuff. So yes, on that part we fine.
Lovely. You know, I spoke to a few of the guys, and you can feel the spirit burning in the boys and the excitement that they have to participate and take on the best teams in the world. I mean, Belgium, the first match, ranked 7th. Everyone is excited. Everyone wants to play. But just tell us, how's the mood been with the boys? I mean, everyone is putting in the work. I know you guys are out here 5:30 in the morning, also in the afternoons to practice again. How's all of that been going?
With the practices, I must be honest, taking a lot of young boys. I mean, they would love to sleep until 11 o'clock in the morning, but 5 o'clock they're here. We're practicing. So that spirit, and I think it's coming to their head, and they realize we not, and nothing badly meant, but we're not going to play Gogas or Gubabas or Marienthal or whatever. We are in the top world teams.
At the top world international stage.
Exactly. So we need to prepare properly, and the reason why I'm saying that is the first time ever in the history of Namibia that especially the men are achieving that platform and can get to that platform to go and play World Cup. World Cup. It's not a tournament in Windhoek. No, we're going to the World Cup, and it's at stages. I just think by myself, did I miss something somewhere? But it becomes reality, and we need to prepare accordingly, and we're really trying our best. And who knows, we might surprise people on the other side with. I mean, if I take in Namibia, we 5 clubs. They are roundabout only in Amsterdam. I want to say there are 30 clubs. Only in Amsterdam. We are in the entire Namibia 5 Premier League clubs. So out of that group, we've got the best, and we're still competitive, and that's typical Namibia. That's typical. If we've got that eagle on our chest, don't mess with us.
Do not take that risk.
No.
You will get as a huge surprise from us.
We're ready.